Hi, so today I'll be showing you how to do this really easy 3D cube transition on VideoStar. Also, if I sound a little bit weird, I'm sorry. I'm kind of sick right now, so that's why. Okay, so first you're going to make sure that you have two different photos imported into VideoStar. And my clip is about like 1.5 seconds long, by the way. Then go to multi-layer and make sure that your background is bright green. And then layer 1, just import any one of your photos, and then go to layout and search for the effect expand. It should be a 3D effect. Okay, so then you should see two different bars, and the one that has like lines going through it, you're gonna pull that all the way up. Then click the arrow at the bottom, and then you should see a bunch of different options. Click back, and then layer 2 is going to be the same photo from layer 1, and you're just going to basically do the same thing, but in faces it's going to be a different side each time. Just follow along with what I'm doing. I can't really explain this part. Okay, so far you should have 5 layers, and your cube should look something like mine where the front is just missing. So layer 6, you're going to import your second photo and then go to add mask and just erase out the background. Try to mask out as much of the background as you can, because if you just rush on this part, it might not look as good as it can. Sorry if this next part sounds a bit confusing. It's actually not. I just made this look very weird. But you're going to go to edit keyframes on layer 6, and you're just going to change the size to fit the cube. But before you do that, you're going to turn on 3D, because I forgot to do that and then it just messed it up. So turn on 3D and then change the size of layer 6. So some of her body is sticking out from the top and bottom of the cube, and to fix that, just pull on the lever at the edge of the screen that I pulled all the way to the bottom, and then you should be able to see the top of the cube, and you can adjust the size from there. And for the bottom portion, just go back and go to add master and click on all 6 layers, and then you're gonna go click on the second rotation and just rotate it so you can see the bottom of the cube. And then go back to layer 6 and adjust the size. Once you are fine with the size, go back to master and undo the rotation. So now you can animate your cube however you would like. You can make it spin up or down, horizontally, it doesn't matter. I'm going to be spinning this horizontally, and I will be using the third rotation option. So at the beginning of this clip, I'm just going to be changing the rotation so you can't see the person inside the cube, so about 0.50. And then go to the end of the clip and change the rotation so you can see the person inside the cube, so about 1.0. For the graph, it's going to be an in to out graph. You can make your own or use the one that I showed. So this next part is just me adjusting the size of the cube. You don't need to do this. I just wanted it to be a bit bigger, but if you're fine with how it looks and you imported your graph, then you can go and click create.
summer.